Hello all, welcome to Freshers World YouTube channel. A great news for you, Dell Technologies is hiring through us. So it is hiring 2021 candidates, and if you are from 2021 passed out or if you are still pursuing your graduation and you are about to pass out, then this notification is right for you. So let's go through this notification much more in detail. So they are hiring for Associate Sales Engineer Analyst. So coming to the eligibility criteria, they are looking for BE, BTech and MCA graduates. So BE, BTech, CSC, EC, EEE, IS, IT branches from 2021 batch with 60% and above in highest qualification is required. So coming to the job role, it is remote system engineer pre-sales. So let's see what are the skill requirements they are looking for. Excellent communication, presentation and articulation skills, ability to anchor remote meetings, present to remote or live audience and good storytelling skills. Strong technical acumen in enterprise storage, software and networking, quick learner of technology, skill to apply technical acumen to build the right technical solution for customer sales pursuits, passionate, proactive, self-driven, strategic thinking and customer fit attitude. So let's talk about the responsibilities part. Documentation of customers' existing environment by using various tools and techniques, develop assessments for customer storage systems and environment using various tools and techniques, maintain a clear install base of customers, install storage hardware, participate and contribute to account planning and other sales planning calls with internal account teams. Develop strong knowledge on Dell Technologies storage products by participating in various training programs. Participate and constantly achieve good results in periodic evaluation programs that will help in growing your remote SE skills. Escalate problems encountered in the field to appropriate remote SE manager. So let me go through the key job requirements. First thing is expand knowledge of Dell Technologies products, sales, pre-sales process awareness, experience working in or with Dell Technologies field sales team, customer service orientation, theater or division awareness, solution orientation. This role will require working in America's East Coast shift, which is 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. So this is very much important line. So work shift will be from 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. So come to the work location, it is in Bangalore. Hiring process is virtual interview. So probably this weekend they are going to collect the data from our website. So if you are applying for this job notification, try to apply by this weekend, and for sure all eligible candidates can expect an interview call or interview email in the next week. So coming to the salary part, best in industry. If you are deserved, you will get what you are looking for. I have already kept the application link in the description below. Just go there, come to this page, apply here, attend the interview and crack it up. So we are coming up with much more notification video for you. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. All the best and thank you so much.